Hello everyone, these are all the crochet items I made in this week. Let's look at them one by one. Firstly, I started with Evil Eye, and then these are the mini pouches for storing earbuds, and it is a pretty turtle keychain, and these are the daisy keychains, and I also made sunflower keychains, and also this is the purple keychain I made, and these are the rose pots for decorating and gifting. It is a gajra with beautiful red rose. Also I made sunflower hair tie and also the daisy flower hair tie. These are the lipstick holders that you can hang to your bags. These are the pretty square pouches for earbud storing. These are the prettiest alligator clips pair. Also, I made with the different patterns. You can see here how beautiful they are, and it is earbuds pouch with a small flower on it, and it is the sun keychain, and it is the Winnie the Pooh keychain, and it is also a keychain with tiranga colors. These are the bow clips, and also I made another flower keychain with a beautiful combination, and these are the pretty small mobile charms you can see, and I also made a daisy flower with stem, and this is the big sunflower with stem. And this is the wallet with the beautiful lace and a small flower on it. See how you can store anything you want in it. And this is the lavender rose with stem, really look pretty. And let's see, this is my favorite teddy keychain. See how pretty it is. And also I made this hair band. You can tie this to your hair, and also again I made granny square pouch with the red and black combination. That's a deadly combination. And also I made this pouch that can be tightened or loosened with the thread. And finally, this is the final one. This is the tube top, which is in a navy blue color. That's really took very much time to me to complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and